Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a last minute clown makeup look. So if you follow me on TikTok, usually I do like a last minute clown look every year because I usually need something really fast to do for work. And the last few years I have had no time. So today we're going to do a very simple clown look. I'm going to keep it under hopefully like 25 minutes, depends, because I'm trying to make it look a little bit nicer. To start, you're either going to need eyeshadow if you don't have any paint, or if you do have paint, pick a color. I'm going to be picking purple, and I'm going to also be doing black, so a mix of both. You're going to need at least one eyeshadow brush, and you're going to need one angled brush. I'm going to go do my base makeup because I'm doing this for my channel, but I'll be right back, and I will show you how to do it last minute if you don't want to do any makeup and you only have a few minutes. I had every intention of keeping this as my base, but I want to do one of the white clowns now. So I know this is not exactly basic, but this is my base, these are my brows. You can keep your brows. If you have the time you want to glue your brows down, cool, do that. Let's keep moving, because I really want to do this other trend. That's why I did this one. I'm sorry, it's not basic anymore. I'm going to be going in with Fortnite palette. This is the llama one. I don't know what the name is because of the purples. And then I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush, and we're just going to do that thing. I'm just going to take the lighter purple, mix it. We're just going to start putting this all over, and I know my lids are a mess. We're going to like splatter it all over. This one is going to be like, an X, I think I'm going to do. For the face paint, by the way, I used grease paint. I'm going to go in with this darker one because this one's not really showing up super well. And if you have your brows, that's fine too. You can just drag this right through like so. I'm going to kind of like make it weird. I don't know how else to explain that. I'm trying to keep this like real time so I don't really have to edit it out much. That way you can do it with me. And that way this is not like 10 hours long. Ignore my faces. This is a really sad X. We are just gonna work with it. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, and then for the other one, I'm thinking we do like the pointed one with the dots. So I'm just gonna drag this one straight up and make it wider here. This is just like our background. And this still applies if you just have like normal makeup on. Or no makeup. I had a really good base before. I'm so sad that I decided not to use it. I go here. I'm gonna put my teeth in then, so I don't really want to go too far down. My makeup is kind of, the eyeshadow's kind of looking a little weird because of the paint is kind of clogging up my brush a little bit. Okay, look how nice those brows came out. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna go in quick before I draw everything. I'm just gonna kind of use this purple to like contour my nose a little bit. It's gonna look a little scary, I'm sure. I'm gonna drag this in here and hopefully I'm not screwing this up. This isn't gonna matter anyway right there because I'm going to take the, I'm gonna use black, I think, and do I'm gonna take black and do a dot on my nose. Yes, words. I really should have had a bigger brush for this. I had this one that I was using. I used the James Charles palette white to try to set this. I don't know if this is gonna screw it up. Hopefully it doesn't pick up my makeup. Because this one is also caked with a little bit of white. Oh, this isn't working too bad. Blend that up. Take a little more. Makeup speed run. Except I'm not gonna scream and like sit on the toilet backwards like that guy. Wait, what am I doing? That's okay. We're good. You're not gonna see it and I'm not gonna see it, but I'll just go like this just in case it like shows up a little bit. Oh my god, my palette's a mess. Killing it. Not in a good way. Okay. Now we're set. And then we're gonna go in with paint. I have my brush, already has black on it. Not that much, but you can see it now. I'm going in with Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. Any kind of black paint will do. We are going to draw this X. We'll take the points and draw them in. Oh god. Like this. And then we'll create the actual X around it. I also want to put dots at the end of the X. Sorry, I'm like looking down and forgetting about showing you. I think we're just gonna like do it like that, if that makes sense. Makes it like the point. It's a triangle and connect them. May or may not look good. That one's gonna have to go straight. And this one's just gonna go on my lid then, unless I just like... Yeah, we'll do that. And this one will go here. This one will go right here. Maybe we should drag this out a little more. Oh, just drew on my eyeball. That way we can connect this line right here. Ooh, screwing it up. Okay. And then same here, we need to connect these better. And here. I just remember seeing those TikToks, you know, the one where it's like, I'm not in the mirror, I'm inside you. That one. This doesn't look like an X anymore. It's okay. It doesn't have to be an X. It just has to work. Maybe I should do another one. I'm gonna add one more here. It still doesn't look good. Maybe I should add one here too at the bottom. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't have a plan going into this. I was gonna do a totally different idea than this. But this is the idea now. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this in. I just don't know if I want to go in with purple lashes then, or if I want to go in with black lashes. Now we're gonna start this side. We're just gonna kind of draw it. I don't know how else to explain it. Just make it skinnier at the top and thicker towards the middle. Like so. Same with the bottom. This would be a lot more easier if I could just hang upside down, honestly. Because I always screw the bottom up. See, I'm gonna have to make it a little bit longer because I made it too weird. I actually probably should have made the top one taller. I totally screwed it up. Hold on. There's a hair in the way. We're gonna save this, and I'm just gonna fill that in. I'm gonna add the dot on my nose quick. A triangle. I'm trying to line it up with the middle of my nose better, make it pointy. I don't think that's gonna work. Now add these dots. 15 minutes in. I'm gonna do my lips. I think I'm just gonna do the eyeshadow around my lips rather than sitting and painting them purple. I'll just do this. And I know it's gonna look scary for a second. We gotta trust the process. I might overline them, so I'm just gonna go up a little more. And I'm gonna drag it out. Now, if you have an extra minute, I'm going to get eyeshadow really quick. We are going to clean off this brush a little bit. Now there's paint in it. And we're going to get... If you're not eating anything, then it should keep a lot longer that way. I almost just said we need setting spray. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to get... These are the lashes I had picked out. Can't tell. I'm just gonna add them. Okay, so the purple ones didn't work. We went with black lashes. I don't know why I say we, like you're here with me. This is the final look for me. Yours looks a little different. If you didn't do white, that's fine too though. It still looks cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my teeth though. For anyone wondering, my teeth are from Dental Distortion. That's the little paper I got last year when I ordered them. I guess it was 2 years ago. Anyway, this is a little case they come in. Well, they come with. These are my teeth. You mold them yourself. Yeah. Anyway, I did it myself. Yeah. That's why they're not perfect and they're a little too tight. So this is how, like, glamorous it is. But I'll show you how to put them in. I feel like I'm going to be extra spitty. Nope. That is not getting put in. I feel like mine aren't exactly right because I need to get them in my mouth because they because they don't feel right like in my mouth. These are sharp. Like the actual teeth, very sharp. I've hurt my mouth. I used to like catch my lip on them. I think it's before I remolded them. It feel weird. Is there anything on my teeth? The other time I had black paint in my teeth and it was gross. Anyway, here's my final clown look. I feel like I should have painted my neck. But that's so messy. I got it on my shirt and it won't come off. So I really don't want to do that. Yeah. Here's my clown look. I'm getting ready. Hopefully I'll wear these to work this year. I have a little bit of a lisp when I talk. But I think I could get through the day and wear them to work. I almost wore them when I got them, but then they were too big and they didn't fit right. I feel like I'm better at talking with them. This is my final look. I love this, and I am going to do that sound transition. If you haven't seen it yet, if I haven't posted it yet, with the I'm Inside You clown. I'm so excited. I can't close my mouth. I just keep smiling. No, I can't just close my mouth. That's also why I didn't want to wear them to work. I'd be like, hi, how can I help you? Standing there. Anyway, this is the final look. It's a little of my hair because I was trying to... Oh, this bothers me. Do you think I should paint it? I'm using Snazaroo's white water-based paint. And I gotta go all the way up because if I put the angle down, it's not as pigmented as the problem. Okay, so here's my final look. This is my clown. Let me know what you think. I really like it. I think I'm lagging, but I really like this look. I have a couple more looks coming up for Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more looks on my channel. I also play video games. I'm just a little slow right now because I'm trying to do these makeup videos for October. And I'm sorry if you can't understand me because of my teeth. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.